how to withdraw from Allchinabuy to bank. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your homepage, of course, and you're going to ensure that you have logged into your account. After that, you're going to select your profile over here on the top section, and you will be able to see here extra drop down menus. So you're simply going to select my balance over here. Now the way Allchinabuy works is that you're going to top up money into your balance over here or your wallet so that you could purchase different items from Allchinabuy. But if you want to withdraw, you will be able to notice here that there is an option over here called withdraw. So if you just simply click on withdraw, and you should be able to check out here the available amount of withdrawal or amount of stuff that you will be able to withdraw. And as you can see here, the funds will be returned via the original path. So simply do that or click on that and you should be able to withdraw your money from Allchinabuy. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.